Welcome. This is the Intro to Boxcar tutorial. Boxcar is a program that helps you multi-box games like this, EverQuest. Boxcar orchestrates keystrokes, alt tabs, and mouse clicks across your game clients. Let's get started by launching Boxcar. The first time you launch Boxcar, you'll get a warning to allow background services. Go ahead and allow those services. In this example, you'll see that Boxcar has already detected the three game clients, EverQuest game clients running in the background. In our example here, we have three characters, Cheeto Beard, Gristle Beard, and Icicle Beard. And these three characters are running on these three game clients. We can test the game clients by using the test button. This will bring that client to the foreground. Here I am testing all the game clients. Next step is going to be to create our characters in Boxcar. The name of the character does not need to match the name of the character in your game. This is just a name to identify the character in Boxcar. So click Create. Now type your name. In this example, I'm going to do Gristle. You may notice username and password. You do not need to provide these, but you can to support another feature called Auto Launch, which we can cover in another tutorial. Now that we've created our first character, you'll notice that it creates a bar on a window. I'll pull this down. This is our character bar. We'll go ahead and create the two other characters. Now that we have all three characters created, you can see that this window contains three character bars for each one of our characters. They have buttons from 1 to equal sign on a normal QWERTY keyboard, which align to the default hotkeys for EverQuest. We will style this window quickly to improve the visibility for this tutorial. You can learn more about modifying the UI in our settings tutorial. Now that we've completed that step, we'll go ahead and right-click a button and select Edit Button. Boxcar is made up of commands. This is a Boxcar command. The first is the character, the second is the key. You can learn more about the Boxcar commands in the wiki section of the application. Characters come with pre-generated button commands for the first 12 buttons. Now let's go ahead and assign our characters to game clients. On the game client screen, you'll go ahead and select from the drop-down your character name. Do this for all your game clients. Now that we have all our game clients registered, we can position the Boxcar UI wherever we please. This UI floats over all your other windows. You can see here you could click on the character buttons to switch your characters with ease instead of alt-tabbing. All of these characters have key 9, hop bound in EverQuest to the sit button. We can go ahead and press the 9 here on Cheeto's bar in Boxcar, and you'll see it switched quickly to Cheeto and made him sit. We'll do the same now for Icicle, and you'll see it made Icicle sit. That's the basics. That's the basic setup for Boxcar. Check out other videos in this playlist for step-by-step tutorials. I'll show you exactly how to set everything up. If you find Boxcar useful, consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more guides.